fled their homes because of hunger, religious persecution, harsh governments, or the lack of jobs in their countries. For these immigrants, America was a land of opportunity. Wages were higher and the land was cheaper. Many had heard that the streets were paved with gold. From 1892 to 1954, Ellis Island was the first stop in America for many immigrants.
Meet 3 new immigrants, Ellis Island and Ivan and Nikolai Erdman. They've already been checked for illnesses such as yellow fever, smallpox, and typhus. The ships they were on stopped in the lower part of the bay. Then doctors boarded the ships and checked the passengers. Now they're being taken by barge to Ellis Island.
The Statue of Liberty. She's so beautiful. Can you see the lady?
Thank you.
Yes.
America. America. Everything will be fine. I don't think that will ever happen to us, Father.
Scene 2. Same day in the Great Hall of Ellis Island. As the immigrants arrived, doctors studied the way to walk into the room of the Great Hall. This was known as the six-second medical. Then the doctors would do a more thorough exams. After that, inspectors would ask the immigrants a series of questions. Chances were, if you were a man in good health with no criminal records and good prospects for employment, you'd be allowed to enter America within a few hours.
The rules, however, are more strict for women traveling alone, like Paulina.
Yes, sir. My name is Paulina Spivas, and I'm police. The doctors tell me you're in good health. You're staying low? Yes, for now. But I'm engaged to be married to Spanos Pantos. He's from Chicago. And you know that Spanos Pantos of Chicago. Of course I know him. I grew up with him in Greece. He came here 2 years ago with his parents. He says he's ready for me to join him. Here, it says so right inside. Do I look like I can read Greek? He's meeting you here? No, he's meeting me in Chicago. He cannot come since it's too far away and he has to work. Since Chicago is too far away, how will you get there? I have money for a train ticket. Okay, Miss Spigos, only a few more questions. How much is 5 plus 5? 10. How do you wash stairs, from the top down or from the bottom up? With all respect, sir, I did not come to America to wash stairs. I see, Miss Spigos. Your spouse is rich, is he? You'll have someone washing the stairs for you. Is that what he has told you? You see, this is exactly why we don't like to let women in by themselves. I know it's probably all my life. I know exactly what my life here in America will be like. Do you want to know what my life was like back in Greece? Do you care that I had no family there? Just calm down, Miss Spigos. We don't want you falling into the wrong hands. But you seem like a woman who can take care of yourself. Just be careful. You can change your money here for American dollars and buy an next train ticket here too. Next! Inspector, the stairs from the top to the bottom.
Scene 3. Same day in Inspector's office on Ellis Island.
About 20% of all immigrants were helped with further questioning. About 2 of these were sent back to their home countries. People could be denied entry to the United States for a number of reasons. If they have criminal records, medical problems, or if they're not registered to post as their tool. Sometimes families traveled all the way to America just to be separated from their families.
Mr. Erman, why did you come to the United States?
We had to really hard for us to worship. I couldn't be believing. Inspector, you're Jewish. Last New Year, first year, my father found it harder to work.
What was your business or job, Mr. Erman?
I was Taylor.
How much did you earn 1 week?
About 10 to 12 years.
For $3 a week. What kind of work did you do?
I was a student because the government said I couldn't go to school anymore.
Do you have a job in for you here in the United States?
No, Inspector, we don't see once you have a job waiting for us here. But what about me here in America? He's a Taylor also.
How much does he earn 1 week?
12 rubles, I mean $12 a week.
Does he have a family?
A wife and 4 children. Everything goes straight.
Her male clothes services, her fingers are swollen. It looks like he likes her too. You probably have arthritis.
No, it's nothing. It's just been a very long
many strong young men come into this country every day? I'm sorry.
What does that stand for?
Special inquiry. Your father will be deported, sent back to Russia.
But they'll kill him. No, you can't send him back.
Nikolai, do not say anything.
Papa, I am not like you. I cannot say yes to everything. I'll take care of him. I earn enough money for both of us to live.
Maybe you can convince the board of special inquiry. Explain the situation to the inspectors there. They'll give you a translator if you need one. Then they can decide for whether to stay. Next!
Well, Nikolai, I'm pretty messing about.
Papa, no.
There's not the same thing you guys I'm sorry. Look at my pen. You're right, I can't work the way I used to.
Please, I know. We'll fight this. We'll figure something out. You cannot go back to Russia.
There's nothing fun. This is a nice thing. Come on, Taylor. Act 2, Scene 1. Here in 1922 in the Great Hall of Ellis Island. Between 1901 and 1910, over 7 million immigrants entered the United States through Ellis Island. The numbers dropped during World War I, but after the war ended in 1918, the numbers started to rise. As a result, the first quota law was passed in 1921. This put a monthly limit on the number of immigrants who could enter the United States through Ellis Island. Stefan Brodsky, a Polish and American man who immigrated 2 years earlier, is preaching in the Great Hall. Commissioner Farron, who is in charge of Ellis Island, approaches Stefan. Good afternoon. Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, my wife, Ida Brodsky, and my daughter, Emma Brodsky. They're coming in from Poland. The ship's a day late.
How long have you been in America?
Oh, my wife and daughter and I have been here for 2 years. Ida only went back to visit her parents. Her mother's sick. I hope everything's all right.
No need to worry. I'm Commissioner Curran, and I can assure you those little trips don't count against the quota law.
Thank you, Mr. Curran, but you don't understand.
You see, if your wife has already been admitted to the United States and she returns to her homeland, even if Poland's limit has been reached, she would probably be allowed in.
I realize that, but you...
Stefan!
Ida, Emma,
What's that she's carrying?
I believe that's our baby. Excuse me, Commissioner.
Papa, I missed you so much.
I also miss you too, my sweet Emma. My, you have grown.
Stefan, look, he has your eyes.
Brodsky needs to stay here in the hospital tonight so I can see her, so I can check her out. The baby was born just last night.
The Polish quota has been reached. To put it bluntly, the mother and daughter stayed, but the baby was fully. Stefan, there's a problem.
Well, what is it? Are you all right? Is the baby, Emma...
No, nothing like that. If my baby can't stay, I will return to Poland with him.
Mommy, you can't leave.
Commissioner, please help us.
Where was the baby born?
Aboard ship, sir, on the Lapland and British Star Line.
There you are. The baby wasn't born in Poland, but on a British ship. The deck of a British ship. No matter where in the world it is the same as the British soil. Include the baby in the British quota.
Sir, British quota was reached yesterday.
Our baby can't come in?
Wait. The baby was born on the Laplands? That ship's home port is Belgium. There, the baby is Belgian.
My baby is what?
I'm sorry, but the Belgian quota is also full.
Inspector, what are you trying to do here?
My job, Commissioner.
Listen, I think I've got it. You see, with children, it's the way it is. We follow the intention. It's clear enough Ida was hurrying back so that the baby would be born in America. But the ship was a day late, and that upset everything. So, under the law, this baby, by intention, was born in America. This baby is American.